Happy New Year, Nelly Addicts. I'm finally back with another video. I took quite a bit of a break and then I just got lazy and unmotivated after the holidays. And I just could not think of anything to do with my nails. So I took a break and now I'm back. Hopefully, you guys have had a great holiday and a great start to your new year. And I am ready to get back into doing nails and continue on my nail journey. So, to ease things back into this long break, I decided to do a soft start, which is something different from my channel because usually I'm doing press ons or I'm just doing something for fun. I decided to show y'all my removal process and my prep process and just paint my nails. So you guys grab your nail polish or dip powder or gel polish, whatever it is you use, and just chillax and either watch me do my nails or do your nails along with me. Okay, so I filmed me putting on my press ons, and I don't know what happened to the recording, but when I went back, it wasn't there, so maybe I didn't film it. So, as you can see, I already have applied my nails using the peel off base from Jello Jello, and I already did one hand, which was my right hand. So now I'm working on my left hand. And like I said, this is a very chill video, so not a lot of talking. And I will come back in towards the end. this Color Club nail polish was very beautiful. The solid color was like a one coater. I literally only put on one coat and didn't even go back for a second. I looked at my nails and I'm like, there's no way I'm going to just leave this plain. I want to pull some of that pretty silver glitter out from the glitter nails. And so I said, let me do a little stamping. So that's what we're doing now. And just sit back and enjoy. All right, Nelly Addicts, we are at the end. We're just wrapping up with some of my cuticle oil available on my shop on Etsy, OCDBeauty at Etsy.com. And this manicure was so simple, but yet so cute and elegant. I love the little swirls that I added to the solid nails. And I want to also thank you guys for sticking with me and joining my journey. I'm so glad that y'all watched me all last year, and hopefully you will still continue to watch me this year while we grow and elevate together on this nail journey. You guys, thank you so much. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share these videos. And I can't wait to see what holds for us for this new year. All right, you guys, thank you for watching. Join me again later on in the week and have a great rest of your day. Bye.